Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and today we're back with some more Wario Land 2. So in our last video, we fought the giant bee boss, so we're going to be going to our next, zone, which is the town zone. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so we're going to be on a train here. Here, let me just turn on my volume a bit here. I hope you guys could hear. If not, then I apologize. I know that in some of my earlier videos could only really be heard by turning up the volume quite a bit. So I'm trying to make this as hearable as possible. I really like the idea of just being on a train. Like, imagine you're sitting in like a train. Also, this is also a weirdly empty train. It's like there's like nobody on here except for these pirates. Maybe there just are people, and maybe they're just all coincidentally in the bathroom at the same time or something. Or maybe they've just taken over the train. Odd. Anyways, yeah. This seems like a relatively longer level, so I might actually spend the whole video just doing just this one. Ah, the wind's pushing me away. A bird. Alright, so it looks like we can kind of explore up there. Not sure how long this vid will be. This does seem like a longer level, so perhaps maybe one of the longer levels in the game. Might make just one video. Might add another level into here. Not 100% sure. I think I'm only gonna do one level in today's video. Alright. Gonna go through here. Gonna go through here. Ah. You want to watch out for those ducks. One game I'm gonna see if I can get to playing is the first Wario Land game, because I can't play it on the site that I'm using. Yes, so, also I really do want to get a Steam account so I can play more modern games instead of just playing retro games. Ah! Wait, it was pulling me forward there. Oh well, I guess we're in this new zone. Oh wait. I have to go back. It's down here. I really like how this is actually one of the bigger zones by the looks of it. I really like how actually also the detail put into this level is amazing. The detail put into this game in general is actually really good. Probably why it's one of my favorite Wario games of all time. Probably not my most favorite, but it's close. My favorite one, of course, is definitely Wario Land 4, objectively. And honestly, it's going to succeed by fans as probably the best one. Well, the only problem I have with that one is I just killed that guy. The only problem I have with that one is the air rodent boss fight is definitely like the worst part of the game. Other than that, I think that the game is genuinely great. Ah. Oh, there we go. Alright, so the train has been stopped. Not 100% sure. If I should end this off. Give me a second. Yeah, we can, I'm gonna do one more level. Just this next level, and then we'll be done. Yeah, just this next level, and then we'll be done. Up on the rooftop. I do want to start doing my Wario Land 4 series, maybe on a stream or on a harder difficulty, so I can just play that. Ah! I was just about to play that game, a bit more. Alright, so, there's gonna be these dudes up in the window here. You can take them out, but there's also gonna be these little falling parts of the platform that you can see. You can probably tell them from... Yeah, if you just look at them, you can probably tell from the shading which ones will fall. Ow. Anyways, yeah, these guys will definitely probably help with the fact that you might be able to fall in. Ow. Ow. This is a dangerous neighborhood. There's like dudes throwing bottles out of windows. Or maybe it's just because of the whoa. I was about to say maybe it's just because of the pirates, I guess. Ow. Ah. It is possible we are going to fall here quite a bit. Let's go inside here. Let's intrude in some random person's home. I guess. That's what we're doing in the game. This is a very strange universe where this game takes place in. Like, are there people just, like, okay with this? There was nobody even in that house back there. I was thinking of one of the first games I could play when I get a Steam account. It would most likely be Look Outside. Very great game. It's an RPG horror game. And there's just so much content in it that I could just use. So honestly, I might just use that. Second right here. Yeah, that is probably a game I'm going to play. Oh, I think I have to bounce off his head. Ow! What's in here? That's a house. Are there no people in this house? This is a very empty city. did like something happen in this city or something? Did all the people run away when the pirates came? By the way, I wanna apologize for something. I was yesterday at the time of this recording, I only posted one video the previous day. That was because I was just really I mean, then again, I don't really have a set like schedule. Oh my goodness. I apologize for that. It was normally I'll post like 2 videos, then there's something that can happen, or I'll only post like 1 or something. Yeah, I apologize for that. That was I believe it was something. It was something to do with my schedule. Here, let's check out this door back here first. But yeah, I apologize for that. That was actually. Oh, that's cool. Isn't it? Oh wait, there's a little door. Yeah, normally I'll post like videos at around like 1, 2 to 3, 1 to 2, sometimes 3 videos at around 3 p.m. Actually, at the time of this recording, it's around 11 p.m. Wait, I mean a.m. Excuse me. But I think it's around Eastern time, I believe. I'm not 100% sure if it's Eastern time. It's look, I live in. Look, I'm not sure. Look, it's daytime usually when I record these, so that should tell you something, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really good with time zones. We can skip these. I don't really know stuff about time zones, really. Alright. So there we go. Alright, so that's the end of the first 2 levels in this zone. So yeah. So in our next video, we'll be doing the next level to see what it is. Alright. So we'll do the next level down the cellar. So yeah, we'll see what that is about. So yeah. So stay safe out there, y'all. Astro Rat out. Bye, y'all.